An update tonight on a little girl whose story we have been following for more than 2 years now. This is Harlow Higbee right here. The 4-year-old was born with an ultra-rare genetic disorder, but her parents say a medicine she's been taking has dramatically improved her quality of life. Now, they fear that treatment could be cut off after the FDA recently declined to approve it. Tonight, the Jacksonville family is sharing their fight and why it's sparking a debate over drug approval in the case of rare diseases.
Hey, up here. Up here.
Harlow Higbee was born with a mitochondrial disorder so rare her parents only know of 2 children in Florida who have it.
The diagnosis is pyruvate dehydrogenase complex deficiency, or PDCD for short.
She can't process carbohydrates, so instead her body basically metabolizes it into lactic acid.
She was diagnosed with the life-threatening disease at 9 months.
Harlow, she's 4, and the statistics for PDCD, 90% could pass by their 4th birthday. We've already passed her 4th birthday.
Now mobile.
Good girl. Yeah.
And playing with toys. Rick and Kim Higbee say their daughter has made remarkable progress.
Mama.
She just said mama for the first time last week.
They credit the investigational drug she first received during a clinical trial with giving her the chance to live more fully.
It's called DCA, or dichloroacetate.
It helps give her, in a nutshell, a boost of extra energy.
It's a lifeline to us, honestly. I mean, it's hope. I mean, 100% it's hope. It's hope for any family when there's a possible treatment for a child where there is no cure.
But as the Higbees and other families waited for the FDA to approve the drug, the agency instead issued the manufacturer a letter essentially saying it won't be approved right now. The company says the FDA's concerns focus on the amount and type of clinical evidence available for such a small patient population. The FDA is now asking the company for another clinical trial.
Drugs for rare diseases are supported by small companies that have limited funds.
Dr. Peter Stackpool with University of Florida led the DCA clinical trial.
If this drug is not approved the next time we try, it's unlikely that Sail Therapeutics will have the resources to continue providing DCA, which means that the provision of clinical grade DCA will stop.
I mean, it's heartbreak. It feels like our diagnosis all over again. It's kind of, where do you go next?
Dr. Stackpool is one of more than 80 scientific and medical leaders who signed this letter calling on the FDA to act urgently on DCA approval for PDCD.
We found that DCA was totally safe and well tolerated by these children. There were no serious adverse events associated with the drug, and all of the children survived.
We reached out to the FDA multiple times, but due to the government shutdown, we were told media responses may be delayed.
What do you want lawmakers to know?
Well, I want them to know that we have a safe and effective and relatively inexpensive oral agent that can improve morbidity and mortality in these at-risk children. There is no alternative. We either have to get an approval or this drug goes away. And that would be a tragedy, I think.
The Higbees are calling on lawmakers to help Harlow and all the other children benefiting from this treatment.
We're asking Congress and legislators to just push back on the FDA, just ask them for more flexibility. What we want as parents and caregivers, we want to meet with the FDA.
They're fighting not just for their daughter, but for all children battling rare diseases. According to the government's own statistics, only about 5% of the nearly 10,000 identified rare diseases have FDA-approved treatments.
We're just asking for them to look at rare disease differently. I mean, we're not something that's common, so we can't go back to the drawing board. We can't have another clinical trial. We don't have millions of dollars to come up with a whole nother trial. We don't have time.
Now, Congressman John Rutherford's office has been in contact with the Higbee family and with the drug maker. He sent us a statement saying, in part, I look forward to working with them to promote compassion and regulatory flexibility at the FDA. As for the drug maker, Sail Therapeutics, it says it does not plan to conduct another clinical trial at this time, but as it works through next steps with the FDA's patients' access to DCA will continue both through the ongoing open label extension and the expanded access program.